Hello, this is Vaishnavi. I am a student of BTech CSE from Centurion University of Technology and Management, and I am from Palakamari. Nowadays, most of the companies are hiring those people who have enough knowledge of Python. So I have decided to learn Python first, then I will apply for any other company. So I was wondering a institute to learn Python. And that time one of my friends suggested me about Nice Institute where they are also providing Python course. So I went to attend the demo classes. After attending 2-3 demo classes, I have realized that this institute is good to learn Python. So that's why I joined here. Since 1 month, I am learning Python here at Nice Institute and the experience is quite amazing. Here, Lisa ma'am is also providing real-time coaching not only for Python, she is also providing for C, C++, Java, etc. So, if anyone is wondering to learn programming languages, without any doubt, you can attend the demo classes here. Then you will get to know what I mean to say. So, this all about my experience. Thank you for watching. Bye.